there's a word. A bright neon-colored box shakes violently on screen. Confetti pops. A friendly, high-energy character.
Like a 3D animated robot or a cute puppy.
Jumps toward the camera. Audio! Stop!
Can you find the secret golden letter?
Let's go!
A blast by speed drops, the character starts a simple glitchy dance move.
It's the alphabet board. Play 3, C, 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Jump up high, come dance with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Wave your hands and wave them again.
A is for apple.
Crunch, crunch, crunch.
B is for brawl.
Bounce, bounce, bounce.
C is for pet.
Meow, meow, meow.
B is for dog.
Apple,
A is for elephant, big and tall. F is for fish, swimming through it all.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Spin around. What's up, babe? H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Wave your hands and wave them again.
G is for go. Clip, clop, clip. H is for hat.
Tip, tip, tip.
I is for igloo. Cold, cold, cold. J is for jug. Put it at bowl. J, K.
Lay on him high.
L is for lion.
Roar at the sky.
N is for monkey. Swing, swing, swing. N is for nose.
Let's give it a ring.
O is for octopus. Wiggly legs. P is for pizza. Yummy in my tongue.
Q is for queen. Wear a